This training video reviews how to troubleshoot communication problems between IBMS and the Nexus database server. You may want to have your IT engineer watch this video to help you resolve your communication problem. The communication between the server database is based on the TCP/IP protocol. In particular, IBMS uses the port 16,000 locally and 16,001 for broadcasting the database server. If you're connecting to a LAN, WAN, or remote server, port 16,001 may need to be manually opened on the computer hosting the server. Programs such as firewall, antivirus, and other anti-spyware may block IBMS from communicating with the Nexus database server. If you're suddenly experiencing communication problems after installing such programs, check the program settings to allow internet access for IBMS and the Nexus server. To identify the blocking program, you may temporarily disable your firewall, antivirus, and spyware in a progressive order. The Nexus DB server has its own local IP address. Rather than using your computer's name or its IP address, which can vary depending on your location, you can choose to enter the Nexus DB server IP address 127.0.0.1. By doing so, IBMS will always connect to the local server even if the computer IP address or name changes. If you cannot connect to a Nexus server or detect it with a server scan, this might be simply because the Nexus server is not currently running on the computer. You can check the status of the Nexus server by running the services.msc on the computer you are trying to connect to. In Windows XP, enter services.msc in the Run command in the Start menu, and click OK. In Vista or Windows 7, you can also access the Run command located in the Accessories, but you can also use the search programs or file functions and locate services.msc. Double-click services.msc in the list. In the Services window, check that the Nexus DB Server v3 is listed as Started on the status field, Automatic for the startup type, and Local System for the logon as. If the Nexus DB Server v3 is not started, simply start IBMS in a remote computer. In Vista or Windows 7, the Nexus server can be based on a different account than an account used by the current user. Due to administrator privilege differences from one account to another, a special account may need to be created for the Nexus database. In the Accessories menu, select the command prompt. With a right-click, open the menu and select Run as Administrator. Assuming IBMS is installed in the default directory, enter the following command. Navigate to the IBMS Server directory. Stop the Nexus server and click OK on the error message. If the error message indicates the service is not installed, you can skip the next step. Uninstall the Nexus server and click OK on the error message. Create the special account while reinstalling the Nexus server. Please note that the SE service logon right is case sensitive. In some rare cases, the Nexus database program is not installed properly. The computer needs to be manually cleaned before reinstalling IBMS with the Nexus service. Run the command prompt as administrator. Go in the IBMS service folder. Stop and uninstall the Nexus server. Close the command prompt. Access your hard drive through Windows Explorer to open the program data folder. This is a hidden folder, so you may need to enable their visibility in the setting. In Windows 7, open Computer and select Organize, then Folder and Search options. In the View tab, check the Show Hidden Files, Folders, and Drives option, and click OK. The procedure to display hidden folders is similar for Windows XP or Vista. Delete Nexus DB3 folder in Program Data directory. It is a good idea to copy and back up the IBMS data folder located in the IBMS installation folder. Reinstall IBMS with the Nexus server. If your database is not retrieved after reinstallation, you can try to copy back the IBMS data folder in the IBMS installation folder. Make sure that IBMS is not running on any computers in your network that might access that data before copying the IBMS data folder. This concludes our video on IBMS server troubleshooting. If you are still experiencing communication problems between IBMS and the server database or need further information, please visit www.globalei.com or contact your local distributor. Thank you.